This is your new PDA. It is used to run the iCabby application. All work received from Dragon must use the iCabby meter. There are two buttons on the device, a volume and a power button. It is very important you do not press the power button and the volume buttons together, as this will perform a factory reset and all data and applications on your PDA will be removed. You will not be able to work again until management have reinstalled all applications. This means that if you perform a reset on a Friday evening, you will not be able to work again until Monday when management can reinstall everything. To turn on your PDA, press and hold the power button only until you see the exclamation mark. To unlock your PDA, put your finger on the padlock and swipe it to the right. To launch the iCabby application, touch the iCabby driver icon on the screen. You will then be asked to enter your driver number and driver password that was issued to you by management. Touch OK after reading the warning screens that are on the PDA. This is the iCabby home screen. Let's have a look at some of the features available to you from this screen. The flashing bids button tells you there are bids available. Touch the bids button and you'll be able to see the area where the outstanding jobs are. To select the job, just click on the area and you will have bidded for the job. The green Avail button lets you know if you're available to work. Touch the Zones button to bring up information on the different zones. If I want to see how many cars are in the Whitchurch plot, for instance, select Whitchurch and I can see there are two drivers, both clear. Click Back to go back a screen or Home to go back to the home screen. If you press Bookings, you'll be able to see any up-and-coming bookings. In this case, there is one job coming out in Corrigan at 8:59 and I'm 2.11 miles away from the job. If I touch My Jobs and Previous Bookings, I can see all of my jobs that I've taken throughout the day. This will include the fare, when I took the job, and where I took the passenger to. Press Back to go back a page, or Home to go back to the home page. Next is Messages. If you touch the envelope icon, you'll see the messages sent from the office to your PDA from today, this week, and this month. The Base button allows you to communicate with Base. We'll be looking at this in more detail later on. Section in the middle tells you which position you're in. In this case, I'm 1 of 1 in Whitchurch. Panic is your driver panic alarm. Menu takes you to the main menu. And Busy allows you to put yourself on break or log out. We will look at this in more detail later on. To communicate with Base, touch the Base icon. There are two main ways to communicate with Base. First is to request a call, second is to send a message. Request a call is call voice. When you press request a call, it'll tell you how many are in the queue ahead of you. You now wait for dispatch to get in contact with you. In Send Message, we have some pre-written messages and the ability to send a custom message. To send the message, just touch the one you wish to use. Let's look at the predefined messages in more detail. Account query will let Base know that you have an issue with the account job you're on. Send bus tariff will automatically send the bus tariff to you if you're eligible to receive it. Send 4-seater tariff will send the 4-seater tariff. If your customer wishes to make a booking in the vehicle, press Take a Booking. If you found lost property, broken down, or need directions, use these buttons and dispatch will be in contact with you. There should have been a bus booking, and a state booking will let dispatch know that a different vehicle is required. Use Please Send School Run if you wish dispatch to send you your school run through to you. Spoke to customer, job is cancelled will tell dispatch that the job is no longer required. Might be in trouble, please monitor me, and code 6 payment required up front will alert base that you may be in a situation that requires their attention. Using these options will be quicker for you and will keep the voice channel clear. Alternatively, you could send a custom message. To do this, touch Send Custom Text. Next, select the yellow box. Type your message on the PDA. This is a useful feature, especially if you found lost property, as you can send a short message to dispatch alerting them that you found lost property. When you have finished typing, use the back arrow on the phone to hide the keyboard and click OK. The message will then be sent to dispatch.